We're at the Alliance Geotechnical Group's office here in Dallas to meet one of our AGG scholarship recipients, Nestor.
I've been in Dallas ISD since I was a kid. I graduated from Justin F. Kimball High School, and I was in Career Institute South, where I was introduced to AGG through their scholarship.
The Alliance Geotechnical Group's Construction Pathways Scholarship started in 2023 with 3 scholarship recipients, 1 from each Career Institute, and Nestor was the student from Career Institute South. He showed an immediate interest in civil engineering and wanted to know more about the company who supported the scholarship.
It's a very nerve-wracking process, but it's worth it at the end if you could get an opportunity just like I did. Just the experience of being able to interview and have a resume out there is very valuable when it comes to trying to find a job and even just apply to college as well. Now I'm going to University of Texas at Arlington for civil engineering.
I feel like the foundation is solving a problem, and that is raising the next generation of workers, and we want to be a part of that.
And even if you're not college bound and you do want to get in construction, we have a pathway for you too. We have an apprentice program, and we will hold their hand and guide them through their career path.
To me, I think every single person, if they can change one person's life, this world is going to be much, much better than right now.
We're the community. If we don't support them, who does?
Thank you, AGG.
Please support the Dallas Education Foundation, because together we accelerate student success.